Hey everyone, welcome to Fire5 Fire Behavior and Combustion. This is a quick video and it's going to show you how to access your account in Canvas and do some of the features that we're going to be using in the class. So this is our homepage. This is where you go when you first come into the course, and you'll be greeted by this image here. You'll also have some quick links to different chapters. This class will be based by chapters, and the chapters are actually the modules. So each week we'll have a new chapter. You'll go ahead and click on a link here. It'll take you to that chapter and then that module. But there's lots of ways you can get around this class. So I'm going to start with some of the global features. If you can see over on the left hand side, you have account. This is where you're going to do some of your notifications set up. It's going to be one of our introductory assignments. You're also going to update your profile here. And below that, you'll find your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to have all your classes that you may be taking this semester. And up here is likely where you'll find our class. These are a little bit labeled differently because I'm going to be working on this class until it's all ready. And also you have the courses list. The courses list is another way to access your course. And if you're having trouble viewing which courses you want, you can hit this all courses button. It'll show all your courses here, and you can put a star by which ones you want to appear in the shortened list or the dashboard. But let's go back to our class. On the left side, you're going to see a bunch of these little quick links to different things that I've identified for a course, including announcements. Announcements will also appear at the top of our homepage. Announcements are places where messages that I have sent to everybody. It's kind of a shout out to the class. Usually it's going to be kind of what's going on in the class for that week, or maybe some things I want to see done by our students and things for improvement. Also, it's going to have some timetable type of things and reminders in there. Assignments is a quick link that you can go to find the actual assignments that are going to be more like written documents, papers that you'll be creating, or other assignments I might have you turn in. Discussions is where you're going to enter in and have that dialogue with your other classmates. And you have to do a discussion earlier in the week before Wednesday. Your first discussion post will be yours, and then you'll come back and you will reply to 2 other students. Grades, this is where you're going to view your grades in the class. People is a way to connect. Syllabus, quizzes, and modules. Modules are how it's actually broken up in this course. So we can either click modules here, or if we wanted to go directly to a module, I can click on, let's say for you guys would be doing the click here first to enter introductory week material and assignments. And it takes me into my introductory week. Here I have an overview. We're going to have an overview for every single chapter or every single week. And then it's going to have some other stuff here that I'd like you to review for this introductory week. You'll have a week to complete these assignments. And then coming down here, I have some student success resources. This is where you're going to find a lot of the resources that are available to you as students. And once we get into a little bit more of the meat and potatoes of the class, you'll have other modules, and we'll kind of follow this format the rest of the course. Chapter 1, measurements and SI system, and Chapter 2, we're starting getting into our chemistry, and so on and so forth. You're basically going to have your overview, you're going to have a PowerPoint, you're going to have a discussion, you may have an assignment for each week, and you will have a quiz for each week. And then you'll have a follow-up completed assignment page, or excuse me, overview page, basically talking about what we did that week. And that's about it for our course as far as this little review on how to access our course and how to navigate around. If you have any questions, make sure to please email me, or very importantly, click on the inbox here and you can compose a message straight to me and we can communicate that way. Thank you.